Hey, what is up, ladies and gents? Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. Hey guys, I want to talk to you all really quickly about using Fibonacci retracement. Other than support and resistance, guys, Fibonacci is one of my favorite tools to utilize in my trading strategy, and I'm going to share with you all exactly how I utilize Fibonacci. Now, let me show you how. Let me go find the Fibonacci tool, and I'll share with you how most people use Fibonacci. And this is the way. Obviously, let me say this first. There is no right or wrong way to use Fibonacci. You use it the way it works for you, right? So this is the most common way people use it. So this is your high point. This is your highest point of resistance, and this is your lowest point of support. And what you do is that you will come in and you will drag your Fibonacci from top to bottom. So you go from your highest point of resistance, just giving you a set example, to your lowest point of support, right? And doing this covers you going in a downtrend, highest point to lowest point, a downtrend. Okay, as you can see here. Now, if you were going in an uptrend, you'll simply go reverse. This is the most common way, as far as I know. You go from your lowest point of support to your highest point of resistance, and you will go from left to right. Okay, all right. Now, that's not the way I use Fibonacci. The way I utilize Fibonacci, this is how I first started. The way I use Fibonacci um, and utilize my strategy was taught to me by my educator and master trader that I learned from. I pretty much I do it reverse now, and it works perfect for me because that's the way he does it. So for a buy or going long, instead of going from low to high, I go from highest point to lowest point like that. Okay. Yeah, and I know it may look wrong to some of you all that are watching this, just the way it works for me, and I flow with it. So I'm just showing you guys that. But the most important part of the Fibonacci is the numbers, which I'm about to talk about. So let me delete this one too, and do it reverse for the way that I do it, and cover these numbers. Okay, so this is where I do it. So this is a sell. I'm going from bottom to top. Now I'm going from, instead of going right to left, I'm going right to left. From the bottom to the top. I don't know if it's left or right or not. Anyway, all right, there we go. I'm going from right to left with this. Okay, I'm going from the bottom to the top. Okay, so I'm going from my lowest point of support to my highest point of resistance. But this is like I'm going reverse. So this is the pattern that I utilize. You can see. You can watch the video over and see what I did. So in here though, what you will see is that you have four numbers that are most important numbers in the way I utilize it. And I think for most people, the most important number, guys, is the 61.8 level. This is the most important number. The second most important number is the 38.2 level. The third level is the 78.6. The fourth level is the 88.6. Now, from what I've been taught, some people will utilize the 50 level, the 50% level right here, and a lot of people will utilize that. Okay, but from what I've been taught, my four levels, the most important levels, are 61.8, 38.2, 78.6, and 88.6. Now, in this example here, as you can see, 38.2 level, initially right here, when this trade first came down, it was respected. As you can see, price bounced right directly off of the 38.2 level. Boom, boom. And what did it do? It went back up. It shot back up, okay? It shot back up. It bounced off 38.2, shot back up right here to the highest point of resistance, then it came down. Now, as you can see, it respected it again, but this time, what did it do? It broke under it, okay? It broke under it, and then, boom, it dropped down. Boom, 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 went past the 61.8, and what happened right here? You had some resistance at the 88.6, but eventually broke under it as well. Okay. Now, excuse me. I'm going to make another level right here and just show you guys something, what I want to talk about. Okay. Now, how do you determine what is price doing here? Is more of a confirmation tool. So as you can see here again, let's look at 61.8. Okay. You see price tapped under 38.2, had some strong resistance between the 50 and the 61.8. Now, for me, another confirmation outside of my strategy, outside of breaking, like if I wanted to get into a sell, what I would first do, I would wait for price to break support, retest as resistance, then drop down. What 61.8 does is confirm that if it would have came down to the 61.8 line for me here, I wouldn't have sold it until it broke under the 61.8. Okay. So let's say this is my zone, which it was a zone here. If I want an extra confirmation, it broke the ceiling. Broke the floor right here. You see this line right here? Floor was broken. Boom. And it retested in this zone. This is my zone. Retested in this zone. And then boom. What did it do after that? It dropped down. Okay. Now, I can go exclusively with that, or I could have waited for it to break the 61.8 line. And what did it do? Boom. Once it broke 61.8 line, as you can see right here, it broke it. And then this next candle right here, I could have got in right here. And if I would have did that, got in right there, still could have rolled that down for 60 pips. Okay. So it's just an extra confirmation of price respecting and breaking a specific zone. So, that's how I utilize Fibonacci, guys. So Fibonacci retracement. I am not a trading expert or master. I'm just sharing with you what I utilize and how it works for me and the way I utilize it. Okay. So as you can see here, like I said, boom, price broke under, dropped down, and even came back. I'm trying to retest it again right here. You can see it hit off it perfectly, and then boom, what did it do again? It dropped down. Okay. Now the next time it came back up, it created a new level of support or a floor right here. What did price do right here? It came back up at the 61.8, and as you can see, once again on this candle, boom, it broke above, retested off of 61.8 right there, then shot up. So there you have it, guys. That's how I utilize Fibonacci retracement. 61.8 again being the first level that I utilize to help with confirmation if I'm entering into a buy or sell. 38.2 is the next level. You can see all throughout here with those zones being respected in here, right here for the 38.2, 61.8 all right in here and other areas as well. Then you have the 78.6 and 88.6. You can even see here 78.6. It broke under and retested off of 78.6 and dropped down some more. Okay. So hope you all got some value from that, guys. Hope it makes sense. Please rewatch the video. I know I talk fast, but just rewatch it. And if you're wondering how the hell is he drawing this Fibonacci, it's going to be in reverse, I would say, from what the way most people do it. But that's what works for me. That works for the trading strategy I learned from my master trader, teacher, educator who's a multiple six-figure income earner, and it works for the strategy. So I roll with it, and it works perfect. So with that being said, once again, guys, hope you all receive some value from this, and I will talk to you all later. Listen, if you want to learn more about trading Forex, guys, more strategies, tips, techniques, want to learn from a group of educators, guys, a whole platform of 80+ educators that will teach you how to earn while you're learning in the Forex and cryptocurrency space. Simply go to tradewithed.com or look in the description box and click that link, and you find out more about the platform that I'm utilizing. All right, talk to you later. Have a great day.